ginger tomato coconut dip or ginger tomato coconut dip casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger root recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the grated coconut recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes, one of the most easiest to make of the dip recipes, one of the most unique of the vegetable dip recipes. I'm going to make ginger coconut tomato dip. We've taken around 100 grams of grated coconut, around 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 35 grams of ginger, around 10 to 15 shallots. Pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the ginger. Salt. Salt the ginger. Put in the shallots. Salt. Salt the ginger and the shallots together. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt the tomato pieces with the ginger and the shallots. Put in a spoon of chili powder. Caraway salt. Put in the grated coconut. Salt thoroughly. Salt the coconut thoroughly. Taste. Salt thoroughly. Put on salt. Thoroughly saute it. Transfer the mixture into a bowl and let it cool. Let this mixture cool. Put the ingredients into the grinder. After the mixture has cooled down, close and grind well. 10 minutes oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the curry leaves, salt, pour in the ground mixture and salt well. Now the ginger coconut tomato dip is ready and can be served. Ginger coconut tomato dip, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger root recipes and one of the most delicious of the coconut recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the dip recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.